Oh, we love
We
the
like the
barnstorm.
barnstorm and Ryan Goofy. We like the barnstorm. Yeah, that's our favorite.
Hi, Goof. I'm just going to give them some more tea here, and they're all yours now. You got to be goofy.
Wiggle your ears.
Okay. I love it. That's so cute. Okay, y'all want to do one together? Get together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all want to do your hands up like Goofy now? Do your hands up. Good job. So nice.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, that was fun.
I take that video.